Metta meditation, also known as loving-kindness meditation, allows us to cultivate feelings of love and compassion. In just 2 minutes, you can begin the journey of transforming your inner landscape. By practicing metta, we foster kindness towards ourselves, which naturally extends to others, enhancing emotional well-being and connection. To begin your meditation, it's essential to find a comfortable seated position. You may choose to sit cross-legged or on a chair with your feet grounded. Gently close your eyes to eliminate distractions and take a deep breath, allowing your body to relax and prepare for the meditation experience. As you become comfortable, it's important to open your heart and set a positive intention for your meditation. Focus on cultivating feelings of love and kindness. Silently affirm with phrases like, "May I be happy, healthy, safe, and live with ease," to foster an atmosphere of self-compassion and warmth. Begin by focusing on self-love. Visualize a warm, radiant light enveloping you, symbolizing love and compassion. Repeat the phrase, "May I be filled with love and compassion," in your mind. Allow this nurturing energy to resonate within you, enriching your spirit and fostering a deep sense of self-acceptance. Shift your focus to someone you love deeply. Visualize their presence clearly in your mind and direct loving kindness towards them. Repeat affirmations such as, "May you be happy, healthy, safe, and live with ease." As you send this positive energy, feel the loving connection deepen between you. Broaden the scope of your loving kindness by thinking of acquaintances or even individuals with whom you may have had conflicts. Send them the same loving phrases. This practice helps to create a ripple effect of kindness, fostering goodwill and understanding that extends far beyond your immediate circle. As you conclude your meditation, gently bring your focus back to yourself. Take a deep breath and express gratitude for this experience. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, allowing the love and compassion cultivated during the meditation to accompany you throughout your day, enhancing your interactions.